Hello, everyone. Today, I have the distinct pleasure of cutting my watermelon. Pa, 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 pa. I am so excited. I don't know if it's ready or not. I believe that I had mistakenly cut the tendril that I'm looking for to be dry before I can pull it. It is yellow under the belly. So we're just going to take a chance. I got about 6 more growing out there. So if this one is not ready, hey, we learned a lesson. I'm going to see how many potatoes I have because my neighbor and I are preparing to do some more planting. As you probably saw in my other video, I've already done succession with planting some more green beans so that we can get another yield. And I planted squash, another planting of that, and this time I planted it in containers. And what else are we doing? She went out by herself and she pulled up the corn. We got some exciting stuff going on in the garden. My hair is in my fantastic fro, only for a little while because I'm getting ready to get it braided again. During the summertime, I went all last year without getting my hair braided. And let me just tell you something. If you have a lot of thick hair, it's like wearing a helmet. Your afro is like wearing a helmet during the summertime. So fall is for froze. Don't let nobody else tell you differently. So come on, let's get out here in this garden and let's do it. Y'all know I'm choosing joy. We'll replant that. Well, this is the seed potato. It was still trying to put out. So not that many in this little bunch, but I didn't expect that many in here. We got these little babies. I'm going to take these off and I'm going to put them back in there because I'm getting ready to replant again to get another yield of potatoes. And this is not even, what's in my glove? Is an ant in here? Yeah. Now we're getting ready to go over to the pile, the dirt pile, which I really need to get up because my watermelons are overtaking that pile. So let's go. Well, this is the one I really wanted to get up because, as you can see, my watermelon and my cantaloupe vines are trying to take over. So let's pull those away. Let me get my shovel. Okay, I'm back. I got my Old Faithful. Look at these melons. Careful with that. I'm gonna break them. And there were more potatoes getting ready to sprout, so I might not pull these up yet. Okay, even though I want to pull these potatoes up, I think I'm gonna leave them alone because I planted these a little bit later than I planted the other ones, and plus I got so many melons growing over here that I don't want to disrupt that. And if these are not here later on, then so be it. Because right now I'm counting my melons a little bit more valuable since this is my first time really having a good yield. More so than anything. I mean, there are so many growing over here. It's ridiculous. So I'm just gonna leave these potato vines alone. And yeah. All right, so let's go and pull that melon over there. Okay, so we got some yellowing, and as I was telling my parents, I think that this, I start coming out here cutting, but this is the tendril right here that was closest to the melon. I'm gonna go ahead and cut her, and we're gonna see what she hitting for. While I'm out here poking around, my mom and dad told me to get a stick, and guess what I just found? Another melon. Look at that thing. Another melon is out here. Ain't no telling how many more melons are out here, so wow. Look at that beauty. That is amazing. I am more than super stoked about that. So let's poke around, see if we can find some more. Here's a cantaloupe right here. Look at that thing. Oh my gosh, let me get a better view for y'all. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So I am so excited. I got a good fair amount of potatoes out of just a few seedlings that I put down. I didn't finish digging up the ones that are in the ground opposed to the bag, because I just don't think they're ready yet. I put those in a little bit later than I put the ones in the bag. And I'm gonna go and pick some tomatoes. You see my watermelon, and we're gonna take this thing in the house and see what's cracking.